Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Those who are new, welcome to our channel. Now let us start. In today's class, let us see a very important and most exciting topic called Major Tourist Center of our Karnataka. Now let us begin. In our Kannada language, a most important proverb is there, that is, see a country, read a book. Its meaning is ಒಂದು ದೇಶವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಪುಸ್ತಕವನ್ನು ಓದಿ. This proverb is related to the tourism. In this proverb, they says that you get personal experience or you read others' experience to get knowledge of that particular place. Now let us move on towards our main topic. The people goes to the different places from their place to satisfy their curiosity, for religious celebration, for the peace of mind, for relaxation, to see the places and seeking happiness for the improvement of their health. This is called tourism. The tourist center have the facility to stay and eat, so the people stay there and visit the tourist places. In the modern world, we see that the tourism has become more important part of human life. We can gain knowledge about the place, culture, religion and civilization, lifestyle, etc. by tourism. Now let us move on. Our Karnataka is one of the many states in our India which has a very famous tourist spots. The Karnataka has many natural places. For instance, the evergreen Sahyadri range with regard to the river, waterfalls, beautiful valleys, wild animals, sandalwood forest, etc. we see in our Karnataka. For example, the attractive coastlines, historical places, temples with ground, sculptures, religious centers, place of pilgrimage, etc. Those things are attracted to the peoples of our state and foreigners also. To realizing the importance of tourism, the Karnataka government has established the Karnataka State Tourism Development Corporation KSTDC in the year 1974 to provide the tourist with the basic requirements like tourist homes, lodges, restaurants at the important tourist centers. Our Karnataka is being a heaven for all tourists. They has various beautiful places and attracts the lakhs of the peoples. UNESCO has recognized and declared Hampi, Pattatkal and recently the Western Ghats as a World Heritage Site. This has made the Karnataka is world famous. The government of Karnataka has implemented a new tourism policies. They has given opportunity and encouragement for the private companies also in our Karnataka. Our state has won award for the best tourism management in the year 1996 to 1997. Here are some well-known tourist spots are there. Those are hill station of Karnataka, waterfalls of our Karnataka, wildlife sanctuaries of Karnataka, historical places of Karnataka, place of pilgrimage centers in our Karnataka. Of our Karnataka. Now let us see one by one the hill station of our Karnataka. In our Karnataka, we see that it has a variety of relief features and many hill range are available here. Those are the many hill stations. Kudremukh hill station of Chikmagaluru district. It is a major hill station. It has a dense green forest, many hillock and coffee estates and waterfalls, making it a beautiful place. Now let us see our another important hill station is Nandi hill station of Chikballapura district. It is about 1492 meters above to the sea level and it has pleasant climate. As it is close to the Bengaluru, it is attracts the lack of tourist peoples. It has a lodging of and boarding facility since Mahatma Gandhi stayed there. For the improvement of his health, a Gandhi Bhavan has been constructed in his memory. Now let us move on. Similarly, BR Hills, Agumbe, Sunset Spots, Kemangundi, Devarayana, Jogi Hills of Chitradurga, Kudachadari, Himawad, Gopalaswamy Hills, the Rocky Hillocks of Ramanagar, Madhugiri Monolithic Hills, and the Enchanting Rocks Formation at Yana, Merkara, etc. And they have summer resorts and attracted to the tourists. Now let us move on towards our another tourist spot, that is waterfalls of Karnataka. Our state is a home of many waterfalls in the Malnad region. It has many waterfalls. During the rainy season, the water route down and great force. The Uttara Kannada has a greater number of waterfalls are there. The highest waterfall in the country is Jog Falls, which is in Shivamogga district. The water of Sharavati Falls from a height of 293 meters in 4 stream. They are named as a Raja, Rani, Rover Air and Rocket. It is a most beautiful waterfall in our Karnataka. In the rainy season, in especially the rainy season, we see that this waterfalls has a maximum amount of waters and presents a scene of unforgettable beauty we can observe there. Another important river of our Karnataka is Kaveri River at Shivanasamudra in Mandya district. From twin waterfalls, it forms the twin waterfalls named Ganganachukki and Bharachukki. Merkara, there is the refreshing Abbe Falls are there, and near Kamanagundi hill station there is a Habbe Falls are there. In addition to this, those we see that they has a Kalahadgiri Falls and Unchali Falls in Uttara Kannada district and the Gokak Falls in Belagavi district. Gokak Falls is formed on the river of Ghattaprabha and it is famous as a Niagara of our Karnataka. Mogod Falls is also a most important and famous waterfall of our Karnataka. Those are all the fruitful information of waterfalls in our Karnataka. Now let us move on towards our third important tourist spot is wildlife sanctuaries of Karnataka. Now let us start. The Karnataka has a dense forest. We are all know that our Karnataka has a dense forest. In order to protect the forest and wildlife, the government of Karnataka has established a number of wildlife sanctuaries, bird sanctuaries, national parks, tiger projects and biosphere resources area in our Karnataka. There are 5 national parks in our Karnataka. They are Rajiv Gandhi National Park in Nagarahole, Bandipur, Bannerghatta, Kudremukh and Anshi National Park. For the conservation of wildlife in their natural habitat, 18 wildlife sanctuaries have been identified in our Karnataka. Those are Mothodi, Bandipur, Nagarahole, Dandeli, Bhadra Animal Sanctuaries and Ranginatittu, Kokare Bellur, Mandagadde, Godavi bird sanctuaries are the main ones in our Karnataka. Karnataka has a beautiful beaches. They are Om Beach of Gokarna, Ullal, Murdeshwar, Maravante, Malpe Beach, etc. we see in our Karnataka. Those are attract the numerous tourists. St. Mary Island near Udupi, it has the special pillar type rock and formation. It is a very fascinating. Murdeshwar's Nethrani Island, Devagad and Kurumagad Islands near Karwar are also famous in our Karnataka. Now let us move on towards our fourth tourist spot, that is historical places. The earliest ruler of our Karnataka, those are the Kadambas, Hoysalas, Chalukyas and the king of Vijayanagar Empire. They have left behind a very beautiful sculpture. Those are the wonder of arts and cultures. They are at the Hampi, Belur, Halebeedu, Somnathpur, Badami, Pattakal, Aihole, Gol Gumbaz of Vijayapura and Lakhundi, Banavasi, Basaralu, Belagavi, Mysore and Srirangapatna. Those are all the important historical spots in our Karnataka. Now let us move on towards our fifth tourist spot in our Karnataka, that is the place of pilgrimage. The Karnataka has many pilgrimage centers are there like Dharmasthala, Udupi, Sringeri, Horanadu, Kollur, Gokarna, ಉಲ್ಲವಿ, ಸಿರಿಸಿ, ಶ್ರವಣಬೆಳಗೊಳ, ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ, ಮೇಲ್ಕೋಟೆ, ಆದಿಚುಂಚನಗಿರಿ, ಕಾರ್ಕಳ, ದೇವರಗುಡ್ಡ, ಮೈಲಾರ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ, ಬಂದೆ ನವಾಜ್ ದರ್ಗಾ ಆಫ್ ಗುಲ್ಬರ್ಗಾ, ಇಬ್ರಾಹಿಂ ರೋಜಾ ಆಫ್ ವಿಜಯಪುರ, ಮಲಿಕ್ ರಹನ್ ದರ್ಗಾ ಆಫ್ ಸಿರಾ, ಸೇಂಟ್ ಫಿಲೋಮಿನಾ ಚರ್ಚ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈಸೂರು, Rosario Cathedral in Mangaluru, etc. Now let us move on towards our sixth tourist spot of our Karnataka, that is the forts of our Karnataka. There are many historic and strong forts are available in our Karnataka and they are the favorites for tourist spots. For example, the fort of Bidar, Vijayapura, Kalaburgi, Hampi, Vijayanagara, ಕೇಲಡಿ, ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗ, ಮಧುಗಿರಿ, ನಂದಿ ಹಿಲ್ಸ್, ಪಾವಗುಡ್ಡ, ಮನ್ಸರಾಬಾದ್, ಉಚ್ಚಂಗಿದುರ್ಗ, ಕಾವಲೆದುರ್ಗ, ಪಾರ್ಥಗಡ, ಶ್ರೀರಂಗಪಟ್ಟಣ are the coastal forts of ಬಹದ್ದೂರ್ಗಢ್, ಬಸವರಾಜದುರ್ಗ, ದೇವಗುಡ್ಡ, ಕುರುಮಗುಡ್ಡ, etc. Those are all the important information about the forts of our Karnataka. Now let us move on. All the mentioned tourist centers they have been added to the greatness and pride of our Karnataka. In recent days, the capital city of Bengaluru is attracting a large number of tourists. It has a pleasant climate, wonderful buildings like Vidhana Saudha, a beautiful garden like Lal Bagh and Kabban Park, and hence it is called as a garden city. It is the Karnataka's largest city and one of the mega city of our whole country. Similarly, the Mysore is a city of palace. The millions of people are visited to the Mysore during the Dasara festival. The other important tourist places are the Chamundi Hills, Krishnaraj Sagar Dam and Vrindavan are the other major tourist attraction of the Mysore. Those are all about the important and fruitful information about the important tourist spots and what are the importance of tourism in our state. Those are all we have studied in today's class. I think in today's class you people are learn something about the tourist spots of our Karnataka. Thank you for watching this.